Awka Foundation, Anambra State chapter, has called on Ndibo at home and in the diaspora to consider the advantages in the Bring Home Our Wealth philosophy. Awka Blessing Dennis has details.
Awka Foundation is a non-governmental organization aimed at giving the Bring Home Our Wealth philosophy an institutional expression. It is also committed to micro, small and medium-scale agriculture, assisting government to fight crimes with job, and contributing to food security in line with Governor Chukwuma Soludo's vision for Anambra. The State Director of Operations, Awka Foundation, Comrade Leo Imoka, who made the call during a exclusive visits to the Managing Director of Anambra Broadcasting Service (ABS), Obidiegwu, in Awka, called on youth and Anambra to key into Governor Chukwuma Soludo's Awka initiative. According to Comrade Imoka, Awka Foundation vision and mission are geared towards intensifying the clearer call for the Bring Home Our Wealth philosophy through advocacy and consultation with leaders of Ndibo, association at home and in diaspora to reduce the colossal loss Ndibo suffer in other parts of Nigeria during crisis. While presenting an advocacy message to Sachido, Comrade Imoka congratulated him on his appointment and pledged their continuous collaboration in the area of mass mobilization.
Organization incorporated by Corporate Affairs Commission, Abuja, with the main aim of giving the Bring Home Our Wealth philosophy and institutional inspiration. We parade an array of persons living with disability, including widows, youth, and women, who constitute over 75% of the over 5,000 members of the organization across the state. Awka Foundation, which is also a charity organization, is committed to the quest for our people living outside Igbo land to bring back some of their wealth home in the form of investments, not only to help in developing Igbo land, but also to reduce the collateral damages and wastages that Igbo suffer in other parts of Nigeria whenever there is crisis.
Responding, Sachido described Awka as an age-long concept that people have neglected and identified good education as the catalyst for all-round development of a society. The ABS boss assured them of partnership for effective productivity and urged Igbo youth to consciously rise in solidarity and support the factors that promote and protect Awka initiative.
Right. I want to say a big welcome to you. Welcome to ABS.
Thank you.
I appreciate you for finding us worthy of this courtesy visit. So you are thinking alongside the government, okay? So I want to encourage you people. What you're doing is wonderful. It is not a new idea, but you are giving some freshness, you're kind of rebirthing the idea of Awka, and may God give you the strength.
Thank you, sir.
And Mr. Governor, Professor Chukwuma Soludo, has also harped on the need for our people to rethink moving their headquarters to Anambra State.
The team was led by its national president and founder, Mr. Uzoma Samson. In Awka, Blessing Dennis for ABS News.